Jai Hind children. Now we are going to discuss activity 2 to identify the various layers of the soil. Now here you will see that a bottle where the different layers of soil, they are arranged on the basis of the soil particles, the size of the soil particles. So how do we perform this experiment? So first, the materials required for this activity is glass jar, a sample of soil from any place. Now first we take a handful of soil, little amount of soil, and we put that little amount of soil in a jar containing water. The level of water should be 2/3 of its height. Now we stir the mixture and then we keep it at a place for settling. Now after half an hour you will see that the particles are settling down. So the bigger one, here you can see the gravel. The lowest layer is occupied by gravel, which is the biggest and heavier, and then you will see the different layers, they are just formed on the basis of their particle size. So here you can see that the lowest is gravel, the second layer is sand, because the sand, they are bigger than the silt, but the sand particles are smaller than the gravel. The second layer from the bottom consists of sand particles, and the third layer consists of very fine particles of clay. So here you can see clay. Now these particles settle down very slowly because they are light in weight. So they suspend in water, they move in water, and for settling down it takes time. Now the top layer consists of dark colored particles floating over the surface of water, and the material constituting these dark colored particles is called humus. So you can see on the top of the surface the humus is found, and humus means the dead remains of plants and animals. So the dead remains of plants and animals, that makes the humus, and they are lighter in weight, so they float on the surface of water. So what is the conclusion of this experiment? That the heavy particles of soil, they settle at the bottom, followed by the smaller particles. So this is all about the activity 2. Now this activity 2 you can read in your book on page number 130. Thank you children.